Hjelm jo viktig, og selvfølgelig har jo Muc-Off egen serie på det også. Inni her kan det jo bli godt og varmt. Det kan bli litt luktende, litt svette når man har noen timer på denne her. Så her har Muc-Off kommet med en renseserie, et kit rett og slett. And Tom, could you please unbox with me here? What is inside this kit?
Okay, fine. So with Muc-Off, we have everything you need to look after the motorcycle. But also, the next most important thing then is the helmet. And we want to keep the helmet looking good and keeping your vision clear for the life of the helmet. So, with our helmet care kit, it comes with our core motorcycle helmet care products. So, first of all, we have our Foam Fresh Spray. This is for refreshing and getting the lining of your helmet smelling good and feeling good after a ride. We then have our helmet visor and goggle cleaner. Okay, this is designed to clean the whole outer shell of the helmet and also the visor or riding goggles if you're using riding goggles. We then also have our anti-fog spray. So this is a pre-ride treatment for your visor or for your riding goggles that you spray on the inside, and it stops your visor from steaming up or fogging up whilst you're riding. We then also have our microfiber cloth, which is used for cleaning the exterior of the helmet and for wiping out the foam fresh when you're finished with it. And then we have our premium detailing cloth for cleaning specifically the visor or the lenses of your riding goggles.
Så alt du egentlig trenger der til å ha en ren, godt luktende hjelm, alt i ett kit fra Muc-Off.